Hey everyone, it is Monday, Halloween, and I've got the ES up, taking a look at the market action this morning on some of these signals that I'm looking at. Everything is setting up pretty good. Take the short ones, set it up so that we can trade down, or if we just want to range, just leave it on the reversals or the there we go, on the turns. So you can't get any better than that. We'll just have to decide whether we want to take a reversal at a level using support resistance and getting a feel for how the market flows. And if I can catch one of my bigger bar reversals and hold it to a level that's preferable, trading in the direction of the volatility. I mean, it's sort of hidden. It is tucked in there. So if you can get in the direction of the volatility bands when they set up, trade that up to a level, and especially on those zero crosses. But definitely if momentum is below zero, I'm not going to be looking for longs. I'm going to be going short, and I do want to match the higher time frame trend, which is weekly, daily, 60, 15 to the downside. So I would be expecting some more downside trades. Here's your upper bounce box on the high the other day. That was Friday's high, way back over here at 21.34, 35.25. So we're going to be testing the PPOC and the upper VWAP deviation, but and this prior initial balance high, but just definitely expect a range and some volatility going forward this week. We've got some key FOMC decisions. We've got non-farm payroll, and then we have another report Wednesday with the EIA and the election information that will make the markets very volatile. So definitely have a risk management plan. Risk is the most important component of trading, I am learning. And so what you want to do is have a defined profit target and stick to it, whether that's one or two. So dogs are getting a little bit excited here. Sorry if you can hear that. But nonetheless, I'm going to be expecting some volatility this week. Look at the daily. The 200 EMA is right below us, so that's obviously a target for this weekly, daily, 60, 15 to the downside, 2095, 2096. So that's where we'll want to be looking for a soft landing. Way down here at 1990 to 1974.25, that's also a target. And we're inside a target right now, and we're bouncing on that low set from last week. But definitely trading in a little bit of a range, sideways action, and probably look to expect that to continue, maybe bouncing on this 200 EMA to come back up so that it can be shorted at that point. But I mean, just trade what's in front of you. Don't trade my opinion of where market's going to go. Just I have learned over and over and over my methodology. I will trade the direction of that higher time frame trend every time for a short term. I'm not trading for any length of time, a short-term trading opportunity, but I prefer to short on the downside. I don't want to short when the volatility is going up. So I will hold my shorts until this turns around. And once it turns around and starts in the correct direction on the volatility, that's when I'll look to short. So we'll wait for the open, and also keep our eye on gold and crude today. So I think those three markets will keep me plenty busy. Please note that I'm having an event. Look at the event calendar on the open to close, trading the open relative to the prior close. That's going to be today at 11 a.m. Chicago. I will post, of course, the recording on the YouTube channel. So keep an eye on the markets this week. They are going to be extremely volatile. Define your risk very easily, and just note where that profit target is relative to a prior support or resistance area, and take your trades. Y'all have a good one.